In this video, I'll show you how to convert a black old t-shirt to a beautiful top. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like this video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to sew a button. You may or may not sew a button because this is an optional step. And if you don't have a V-neck t-shirt, you can either use a black round neck t-shirt. You'll just have to cut it in the shape of a V. Cut out the required amount of lace to cover your V-neck. I'm going to attach my lace with hot glue. But if you don't have hot glue, you can either use fabric glue or stitch it onto the t-shirt. So this is how it looks. Now you need to take the two floral appliques and stick them onto your t-shirt with tape so that you can stitch it easily. You can either use hot glue to stick it, but I prefer stitching them. Stitch the design along the edges with black thread. My t-shirt is very long, so I'm going to cut it and make it short. So this is how it looks after cutting the t-shirt. Now I'm going to take my white lace and stitch it to my t-shirt with white thread. I'm going to stitch it with normal run stitch, but don't use glue for sticking the lace because it may come off. So this is how it finally looks. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.